Hey there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Monstera Deliciosa white monster. This stunning variegated Monstera boasts a unique aesthetic, making it a coveted addition to any plant collection. But with its rarity comes a slew of questions. Fear not, fellow plant enthusiasts. This FAQ will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate this beauty. What is a Monstera Deliciosa white monster? The Monstera Deliciosa white monster is a special variation of the popular Swiss cheese plant, Monstera Deliciosa. This unique plant features a striking variegation, with leaves predominantly white and sprinkled with varying degrees of green marbling. It's a true conversation starter, adding a touch of elegance and whimsy to your indoor space. Monstera white monster versus mint. Absolutely. While all three share the Monstera Deliciosa base, they possess distinct variegation patterns. The Monstera albo typically displays large white patches with well-defined green borders. The mint, on the other hand, showcases a more balanced distribution of white and green, with smaller specular variegation. The white monster, however, falls somewhere in between, often featuring a higher white-to-green ratio with a more diffused marbling effect. Is the white monster rare? Yes, the white monster is considerably rarer than its albo and mint cousins. This rarity stems from its specific variegation pattern, which is a natural mutation. Propagation can be challenging, further contributing to its limited availability. How do I care for my white monster? While the white monster boasts captivating looks, its care requirements are quite similar to its green counterpart. Here's a quick rundown. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. Allow excess water to drain freely to prevent root rot. Humidity. White monsters thrive in moderate to high humidity levels, around 60% or more. Consider using a humidifier or grouping plants together to create a more humid microclimate. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aeroids. Fertilizer. Feed your white monster a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, at half strength, following the product's instructions. Does more white variegation mean slower growth? Yes. There's a correlation between variegation and growth rate. Plants with a higher concentration of white have less chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for photosynthesis. This can lead to slightly slower growth compared to plants with more green foliage. However, with proper care, your white monster will still reward you with beautiful new leaves. Will my white monster lose its variegation? Unfortunately, this is a possibility. As the white monster matures, it might revert to producing more green leaves. This phenomenon, known as sectorial variegation, is more common in highly variegated plants. Here are a few tips to encourage variegation. Provide adequate light. Photosynthesis is crucial for variegation. Insufficient light can lead to the plant prioritizing chlorophyll production, resulting in more green leaves. Rotate the plant regularly. Ensure all sides of the plant receive sufficient light to promote even variegation. Propagate from variegated nodes. When propagating, select stems with prominent white variegation for a higher chance of maintaining the desired pattern in the new plant. Where can I find a white monster? Due to its rarity, finding a white monster might require some effort. Here are a few suggestions. Specialty plant shops. Local plant stores specializing in rare varieties are a good starting point. Online plant retailers. Several online platforms offer a wide range of exotic plants, with the white monster occasionally popping up. Be cautious of scams and ensure the seller has a reputable track record. Plant enthusiast groups. Online communities and forums dedicated to plant collectors can be a valuable resource for finding unique plants. Members often share tips and leads on rare finds. Final thoughts. The Monstera Deliciosa white monster is a captivating plant for collectors seeking unique beauty. While its rarity might pose a challenge, the satisfaction of cultivating this stunning variegated wonder is truly rewarding. With proper care and a little persistence, you too can welcome a touch of white magic into your plant haven.